Welcome to your bridal transformation. Every bride deserves a perfect hairstyle.
Let's choose a style that matches your dream.
Healthy hair is the first step. Protection keeps the shine alive.
Soft curls build romantic volume.
I already feel beautiful.
Section by section, magic begins.
Braids add royal elegance.
Gentle hands create perfect shapes. Volume gives confidence.
Accessories complete the bride.
One pin at a time.
Stay relaxed on your big day. Light hold for natural movement.
Look at that graceful shape.
Flowers bring gentle romance. Like berry to summers. It must move like silk. Makeup and hair must blend. And this bun suits your face.
Golden light for a golden bride. And memories start here.
Veil adds timeless beauty. Perfect fit, perfect bride.
I feel like a queen. Every angle must shine. Long-lasting elegance. Transformation complete.
You can follow these steps too. Hairstyle must match the dress.
Confidence is the best beauty.
Perfection approved.
Ready for the wedding aisle.
Every bride tells a story.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and share for more bridal beauty secrets.